The 10th generation rucRak is here. What's a rucRak, you ask? Hi, I'm Jason, founder of rucRak, and 6 years ago, we revolutionized the cargo carrier industry by providing a system that does it all. Now, 6 years later, we have revolutionized the revolutionary. What changed? Let me show you. The first thing we did is tackle this plate. Now, this is what we call the H-frame Batwing Mounting Plate. And what it does is it attaches the two vertical pipe that holds everything else on your rucRak. Now, the reason we expanded it is that we want to be able to give almost infinite adjustability up and down with these legs so that we can get you closer to your load handler. Now, a lot of times the tire, depending on your make and model, if you have an aftermarket tire carrier, things like that, this tire moves way up and down. So now we can move this mounting plate up and down up to 6 inches to provide less rattle and more security for your load. The second thing we did is move what we're calling the camera cover plate to the inside, and this provides a lot more rigidity for this plate, reducing rattle and creating a much stronger mounting surface. We also moved it to the inside to do this. Moving that camera plate to the inside now gives us the ability to move this table up and down in 2 positions and fold it up in 2 positions so that it is out of the way of your brake light and out of the way of the view of your rear window. So you can fold it up like this, down like this, and like this. Now you may have noticed the ease of which now I can lower that table. We now have gone to a table leg that does not require a pin, and it's easy fold down, and we've made it out of stronger material so that it's good and strong so that you can now carry up to 30 pounds of gear underway, or put your grill top, your margarita machine, whatever you want to on there. As you can see, the table got much bigger, and we've used much thicker material here. Now, the rucRak did gain 1.5 pounds, but we think it's well worth it for the rigidity and longevity that this is going to provide. These things put together with a few other little Easter eggs we've done provides the best rack we have ever released. Now, go get rucked up today.